Hello everybody, welcome back to the daily videos. Today we're going to talk about Ethereum on USDs. As you know, some of you might know, I shared it on X the past few weeks. I've shared that I'm no longer a buyer in this market with crypto. And the reason being is that I got invalidated on my recent buys with Bitcoin. And those are actually the first poor buys I have done with Bitcoin in a very long time. Actually, the only poor buy that I remember that I have done with Bitcoin. Public, by the way, all of this is public, okay? So the first poor buy was when I bought 63,000 Bitcoin right here in August 2024. We still dropped 20% from my buys, but it got very quickly, recovered. I don't think it's gonna be that quickly recovered this time. But even though I am no longer a buyer in this market, there is still a level, and especially for Ethereum, that if that level is hit this year, that will convince me, or would convince me, to buy more. And the level is actually in this window, and specifically, it's this 2,400 level. It's this trend line. It's this a greenish VWAP. This greenish VWAP. That VWAP anchored at the Ethereum bottom. Remember that in 2022, Ethereum bottomed in June. It did not bottom with Bitcoin, okay? And all of that is in confluence in this level. And moreover, I think it's also a Fibonacci. I could not make this shit up. This is also a Fibonacci 0.786. So it's just so much confluence on this level between 2100 and 2400 that I'm going to have to buy Ethereum if that level is hit this year.